Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadin balami ke jingkeno na ba pol lingdo ba ke jingja sa kawang petrol bom ha ke yingsa jong u kadai ke jingdon kti jong ba Mohendro Rapsang ke balaja ha ke step kar pratrek mentau nailur na kalyang ba Mohendro Rapsang ula kentat yakini ke jingkeno uba Mohendro Rapsang ulaong ba kani ke jingkeno ba pol lingdo kadai tang ban pentok bria ya kalong ren yang jong u
charged directly to me.
It's a tarnishment.
It's directly to me means what? To tarnish my image. Yeah. It happens, that means, who's done this to me? It's my opponent. He said, charged directly, this Mahendra Rapsang has done this. To what? To tarnish my image. That's all. From outside, yes, we are not in that, to go and threaten somebody. But we want the votes of our people from their heart, not by threatening anybody. So we want peace in this area. That's why we went to SP today with a request. Please send force there so that peace could be maintained there. So this election could be passed on peacefully. That's what we want.
Habakran halor kene ke jo kapang na kalyang wei ni kinong kersan jong ba Mohendro Rapsang uba Rishan nongsen ulong ba ke jingkeno uba polling do kadai tangkum ke jingle khlong khna bat ka ba amdan nong rem satya ulai thoru bana kalyang uba Mohendro Rapsang ula ada ke jing ujor halor ke jingsha punjot lightly ki CCTV kamera ha ka office trekam jong ka Shillong West Block Congress Committee ha moprem ke balaja ha ka step jong ka khanyo terek unailor ha padang ka por sibaje bat arbaje ka siteng senya uba Rishan nongse ulai thoru bakat kum ka CCTV lalam bad UI bakidon laingut kibreu kibron kti hakani ke jingja
Sishai katkum kaan ada PPK political party even her cities ada dia Kolkata bal komtar ter jidon kanu kaan gabala ban khang ya office political party la pentrekam 24 hours lada kata office political party kam dei ban stop iki badan hamar jan jong kata office nangai baga jingkran iba poli dari kran khlung khna ba imdat ke baru baki political party ki 24 hours baki dan ka shift klam sange tiang reka dei baka ike ke jingdan jong office nte kala ban long ba ke jingi baka jingyar artet ke jong i ke baka jingdo ke dong kinong kersan kala pelong i ru ban kren kum gini ki ba omdan nong remang no so on the night of the 17th September at around 1:20 am in the morning some miscreant came and destroyed the CCTV. With regard to that case, which was that incident, we have lodged an FIR with the SPCT today itself in the evening. And some evidence also we have submitted along with some evidence from the CCTV footage coverage that we have get from there. And we wish and hope that the police will take necessary action with regard to this case.